So what were you doing out in the vineyard today?
This afternoon we began the harvest of our ice wine.
And why did you decide to harvest today?
Well, it's way colder than it needs to be, but we want to pick the ice wine when the grapes are frozen. So generally that means the temperature should be 17 degrees or colder. Right now it's 9 degrees and the wind chill is 12 below.
So what makes an ice wine so special?
Ice wine is really an awesome wine because, number one, it sits on the vine for so long, and that thawing and freezing concentrates the flavor in the grape. And then when we after we pick it, we press it. And when it's pressed as a frozen grape, the ice crystals literally are removed from the grape, and all you're left with is like a drop, like a maple sugar drop of syrup and acid. And that is so intensely flavored, and that's what makes the wine so rich and multi-layered.